Today we are going to draw a picture of ourselves and then talk about ourselves on Seesaw. So if we press the green add button, and we're going to draw a picture today, so we choose the drawing pencil, and then you can draw a picture of yourself. You might want to just draw your face, or you could draw yourself doing something that you enjoy. I'm just going to draw a big face. It'd be nice if you use some different colours. And you could maybe change the size of your brush. Now next, what you can do is start adding some emojis of things that you like. So to get the emojis, we press the T and then go into the emoji keyboard. So I'm going to look for some food that I like. I love strawberries. And then I can move it here. And then, like you've done before, if you shrink the box, then expand the box, and then press on the three dots, style, and then choose the first A or A, which is this one, and it gets rid of the box, so that's quite nice. So I can do lots of different emojis, maybe about 6 emojis of things that I like, and then I can tell you about myself and the things I like. So to record my voice, I have to press on the microphone. My name is Mr. Cowan, and I love to eat strawberries. And then you don't have to talk about everything that you like all at one time. You can use, I press the pause button, and then I could go looking for another emoji, and then when I'm ready to carry on, press the microphone again. I love to go cycling. Press the pause button again. So I could just do it sentence by sentence. And then when you're finished with everything you want to say, you can press the green tick in the top corner. And then tick again. Choose your name. Finally tick again, and that will send it to your teacher, and then you can all watch it together on the big board. Hope that helps.